Good morning. This is Island Girl, our newly listed Island Packet 35. Just take you through the boat briefly and show you some of the features. So moving forward, first thing you notice, a really nice wide side deck, very safe, which is indicative of the Island Packets. She has a self-tacking staysail on the Hoyt boom, which gives an excellent sail shape on the staysail, and then a standard Genoa, both furling. The sails on Island Girl are in good order. She's had a number replaced in the last 5 years, and the mainsail especially is hardly used. Nice long mainsail track, spray hood, very solid, well built. Then back to the cockpit, which, as you'd expect, is nice and deep. She's got nice high backrests for comfortable cruising, and then a secure helms and seats right at the stern. She has autopilot and good array of electronics. Coming down below, saloon is really spacious. It does hit you as a 35-foot boat, especially with the trademark Island Packet table, which folds onto the bulkhead. That drops down and doubles in size, so you can eat from both sides of the saloon seats. It's in a teak finish, the Island Packet, so just really nice solid woodwork. Forward cabin, which has an infill piece, good storage, and then she has 3 opening windows for ventilation, a hatch and 2 portholes. The heads and shower are a Jack and Jill arrangement, so she has an ensuite from the forward cabin and then also access from the saloon. Really good size, again for a 35-foot boat, it's very impressive. Keel step mast. Moving back, the galley, again, really impressive size. It sort of extends back almost underneath the cockpit, so you've got a lot of storage, a lot of work surface space, fridge in there, double sink. It's a Yanmar engine, main access is under the companionway steps, and then you've got additional access at the side. Good size aft cabin, storing the cockpit cushions and additional sails at the moment with good storage. And then a good size chart table with an array of electronics, including a new generation hybrid touch Raymarine, which can go onto a bracket and be utilised in the cockpit as well. The boat's here with us at Swanwick Marine on the River Hamble and available to view 7 days a week.